name is 𝗘𝗴𝗶𝗶𝗶𝗏, and this is the Digital Analyst, where AI makes sense and digital dominance begins.
The Digital Analyst with 𝗘𝗴𝗶𝗶𝗏, powered by Insight Jam.
The way we move and process data has changed radically over the last 40 years, but unfortunately, there are very few who have centralized what we call data engineering. There remains a remnant of far too many tools necessary to manage all kinds of data in all of the different scenarios required by the mix of modern and mature use cases. Messaging platforms still move data from point to point. ETL tools have never been laid in the grave. The data wrangling tools left over from the days of big data have tried to grow up, but few have made the grade. iPaaS platforms designed to integrate internet SaaS platforms have made great strides, but most still lack core data management capabilities. Data streaming platforms hope to do for data at rest what they've already done for data in motion, but a significant gap still exists. Even world-class software development organizations from the most well-known companies in the world still have different platforms for messaging, data transformation, big data processing, streaming data, cloud data, on-premises data, applications, APIs, data pipelines, and now AI pipelines. And in most cases, any pipeline of any kind requires multiple tools. Enter the world of AI, generative AI, and agentic AI. Is it possible that they will be the great unifier of all things data engineering? Great strides have already been made using metadata, both business and technical metadata, to bring together the different data engineering functions in the cloud. In fact, without the active use of a rich set of metadata, AI would not be able to do many of the things it's already doing with data engineering and with intelligence. Generative AI may prove to be the new user interface, giving data engineers and business users alike the option of using plain language to articulate business objectives as the driver behind data pipeline creation. But it is agentic AI that opens the door wide, not just for the creation of data pipelines and the unification of data engineering, but quite possibly for the emergence of autonomous data engineering. We are not far away from the creation of a multi-agent environment where AI agents mimic all of the different roles of data engineering, where they execute all of the functions of the different data engineering platforms and work together under the guidance of a controller agent for all the functions of data engineering. Today's episode of the Digital Analyst addresses just this issue. Is autonomous data engineering finally here? I'm excited to welcome Philip Russom. Philip currently operates as an independent industry analyst, but he's pretty much done it all. He's been a Gartner analyst, a TDWI research analyst, a Forrester principal analyst, and if you remember, a Giga analyst, and before all that, a product manager and a data warehouse consultant. You will enjoy hearing from Philip. So grab a glass of wine or a cup of coffee and join me in my home away from home, just minutes from the beach on the island of Sardinia in the middle of the Mediterranean Sea, for the Digital Analyst.